Welcome to the Summer PLI course and to becoming a new on-ramps instructor. You'll be added to the Summer PLI course to begin your Professional Learning Institute or PLI journey. Our course is hosted in a learning management system or LMS called Canvas, and it's the same LMS that your on-ramp students will use throughout the year. Your first stop in the course is going to be the Getting Started tile. Here you'll find resources to help you get support if you have a question about the synchronous PLI experience in June or July, how to log into your UT Zoom account, and the schedule for office hours, should you find yourself with questions about assignments or the learning activities throughout the summer. Note that our times in office hours are scheduled for Central Time. One of your first action items will be to complete the pre-PLI survey, which you'll find linked here. On-ramp support is your one-stop shop for questions, so please reach out to us with anything that you might need. Click on the on-ramp support in the left navigation. Give us a little bit of information about you and your question, and we'll get in touch with you as soon as we can. At any time, you can click the Home button to navigate back to the home page of the course. You'll want to dig into two things right away. The first is to complete your PLI registration, which you'll find in the left navigation. Your PLI registration is going to tell us whether we'll see you on Zoom at the first session in June or the July option. And so it also helps us assign the correct due dates for you for the learning activities in the course. The second thing you'll want to dig into is to begin the Foundations of On-Ramps learning activities, beginning with the On-Ramps overview, which is an overview of the On-Ramps program, dual enrollment model, and mission. Note that these assignments are going to take anywhere from 8 to 12 hours to complete, so we really recommend that you start these as soon as you're able to. The last tile of your course, or the course implementation tile, will be available to you beginning June 6th. In these learning modules, you'll dive much deeper into course content. These learning modules can take you anywhere from 18 to 20 hours to complete, so remember that at any time, should you have any questions about these assignments, you can reach out to us via on-ramp support or via office hours. The self-directed assignments in the Foundations of On-Ramps and course implementation tiles should be completed prior to attending your synchronous week in either June or July. And doing so will ensure that you have developed a solid foundation in the course content so that you can leverage your live collaborations to truly deepen your understanding and skills in course implementation. You may be wondering how to check which assignments have been completed and which ones you still have pending. And to do that, you'll want to use the grades functionality here in the left navigation as well. If you click on grades, you'll be able to see a list of your assignments, the corresponding due dates. Again, these are set based off of whether you're coming to the June PLI or the July synchronous week, and your score. This will help you keep track of where you've progressed in your learning. Finally, on-ramp staff is going to be communicating with you over the summer through your PLI course. So you'll want to be attentive to your Canvas inbox, where you'll receive direct messages from course staff about your assignments, such as this one here. And you'll also want to pay attention to the announcements section of your course. And this is where you'll receive more general information or announcements related to your course. At any time, you can adjust your notifications via the account section so that you can receive either more or less prompts to your email address when you receive any of these communications in your Canvas course. If you have any questions for us at all, again, reach out to us via on-ramp support, and we're happy to help. We're so excited to engage with you in a rigorous and enriching learning experience this summer.